Hello, today we're gonna talk about pointers in the language C. A pointer is a reference of a value allocated in the memory, so it's not like a value, it's only a reference. For example, you have a variable, and it has some value, so you can declare and use a pointer this way. Okay, you need to use this sign and reference the variable this way. Like this way you can reference the value of this variable in another variable, but it's only reference the address of the memory. You can also have like pointers for a specific value, so you can store any kind of variable of that type. Talking about how to use this sign. This sign is used for reference on a variable in another variable. And remember that this sign is going to be used for declaring pointers or talking about pointers. The relation between an array and a pointer is like, a pointer is a reference of memory, and an array is very similar to a pointer. It's not like, well, it is not using this sign, but we can think that an array with an index of 0 is actually the same as a pointer, a normal pointer. So we can think that an array is like the truth is like it is like an array of pointers. That's why we need to know that these signs actually, what they do is that they translate the number that we enter here into a pointer. So actually, a pointer and an array are very similar because they function the same way. Only like an array is like a group of pointers. So, what about the pointer arithmetics? We can sum and subtract. We can make an addition and a subtract of pointers with those symbols. And what they do is that they operate the number of bits of the variable. For example, in a system of 32 bits, the characters, the variable type char use 2 bits on its size. The int data type use 4. Float and long use a bit size of 8, and the double use in a bit size of 16. So when you are making an addition, a subtraction, what you are really doing is that you are moving these bits. You are manipulating the bits of the pointer. So for example, you can have an array. And you can declare a pointer that is pointing to a specific location of an array. So if you have an array, if you subtract a pointer that is assigned to a specific location, for example, this pointer is pointing to that location. If you subtract 2, the pointer is going to now, well, reference to this location of the array. Because arrays and the pointer are very similar, talking about reference. And what about the heap and the stack on memory? The heap It's like it is defined when you compile the program, and its characteristics are that it's very fast, and the block of information of the stack are actually follow one from each other. And about the heap, it's some kind of different, because the heap is allocated in the virtual memory, also known as RAM, and it's also very slow, and it's actually not continuous. I mean, for the stack you have one block of memory here. It's not continuous. Well, and the relation of the stack and heap is that the stack actually are reference to the heap. And because you have the stack close to the memory compilation of the program, and they know where is the memory of the heap, that's why the stack is actually very fast. Also, when you are using variables on methods on functions, they are occurring in the stack. Thanks for watching.